I remember when we built the first CS1 system at Cerebras. We built it all manually by hand, and we were able to attain a maximum scale of about 30 systems a month. We knew that the demand for tokens was going to be insatiable. And so in order to achieve that supply capacity, we decided to form a partnership with Flex.
One of the things that was very clear was Cerebras had something good going. They were going to need a lot of expansion, a lot of scale that they didn't currently have. I said, this is perfect for Flex. There's not many companies that have the ability to scale a product of the complexity of Cerebras and do it at scale. The CS3 product is significantly different than just about any product on the market. First thing that really stands out to me is the actual processor itself. The Cerebras CS3 uses what's referred to as a wafer scale engine. This thing's about the size of a dinner plate. It is in a class all by itself.
The other thing that was really important to us is we wanted to build in our backyard in Silicon Valley, not just designed in America, but made in the US. We chose to partner with Flex because Flex has technical capability, operational excellence, high quality, and I think a really good culture fit with Cerebras as well.
A lot of people don't realize that there is high volume, high-end manufacturing, electronics manufacturing right here in the heart of Silicon Valley. This Cerebras product required us to 7x our volume to handle the great increase that Cerebras is seeing as a result of the success of their products.
We have been producing with Flex at hundreds of systems a month and now preparing to build thousands of systems a month going into next year. The demand for tokens has become infinite. We have produced a solution that is an amazing token generation machine. We are able to deliver above 15x the token performance of anyone else on the market. I think in the future, speed is going to be the only type of inference there is.
There is no doubt in my mind, with the ideas and the vision that Cerebras brings, with the manufacturing expertise and power and cooling integration skills that Flex brings, this is a partnership that's going to last well into the future.